Today I'm going to show you how you can use Google's new AI avatar to create an avatar of yourself for your videos.
And you can even now cast yourself as an AI avatar directly inside of Google's AI video platform, Flow. And it doesn't have to be realistic videos. You can make your avatar do whatever you want.
So how do you create AI avatars of yourself? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do inside of this video, because you can now create an AI avatar of yourself and then inject it into your own video prompts. Now on this channel, I've done some other tutorials on how to use Google Flow and Google VO3 and now Gemini Omni to create AI generated videos. And this is going to be diving into how you can create your own AI avatar. Now this is a feature that Google has rolled out, and you can access this feature by going to gemini.google/likeness. You can see here you have the ability to add yourself to any frame just by typing @me or @your name into your prompts. Now you could do this either inside of Gemini itself or inside of Google Flow. We're going to show you how all of this works in just a second. But the next step is for you to go to gemini.google.com/likeness, put that link down below. And once you go there, you're going to be able to take an avatar. So if you don't already have an avatar, it's going to say create avatar. It's going to bring you to a page where it shows a QR code. You're going to want to go ahead and scan that QR code. And once you scan that QR code, it's going to instruct you to record a simple selfie video of yourself that it's then going to use to turn into your avatar. Once you've created your avatar, you're going to be able to start using it. So all you have to do is click Use Avatar, and now you can create a video or an image with this avatar in it. So now what you're able to do is create your very first prompt. So as you can see, I already have my name tagged, or you could do @me, and that will draw your likeness into any Gemini prompt. And by the way, don't worry, we're going to be showing you a much more advanced version of how to create these videos coming up in just a few minutes here. But first, we want to continue showing you how to do this inside of Gemini. So you just type @your name or @me, and then whatever prompt you want. In this case, I want to do a video where I'm looking at the camera, I'm saying something specific, and we'll have a little surprise at the end too. So let's go ahead and click submit, and it will get to work creating that video. All right, it looks like my video is ready. Let's take a look.
Creating AI videos with your avatar is as simple as typing a prompt.
That's great. So you can see that it's going to create an entire AI video, and you can describe virtually anything you can imagine. Now inside of Gemini, you could do videos one at a time. But what I want to show you next is how you can use a tool called Google Flow to create more in-depth videos. Now, Google Flow is Google's professional video production tool. Now, this is going to allow you to create AI videos rapidly using their AI video creation agent and your own avatar. So now I'm going to show you how to set this up. The first step is to go and click New Project to start a new project inside of Google Flow. And you get there by going to labs.google/fx/tool/flow. But don't worry about the link. We'll put it down there in the description, or you could just search for Google Flow. When you create a new project, you're going to see something that looks like this. You're going to see that you're going to have the ability to use what's called the AI video agent to create new videos for you. And you can actually rapidly create a lot more videos than you could really even possibly imagine. And here I'm going to show you how. All right, so once you create a new project, you're going to see a page that looks like this, where you have your own AI agent to create videos for you. Now, if you watched some of my other videos in the past, you know that you can just type a prompt and say, I want a video of a car racing down a street, and it will create that for you. But now we're talking about how to incorporate your avatar into this. And as long as you're signed into the same Google account, your avatar will carry over to Google Flow. So all I have to do is type and then me, or you could type your name, and now you can add yourself to the prompt to incorporate your own AI avatar directly into the video. So in this case, let's do a prompt with myself. Now, it's important to make sure that the agent is turned on, because that's what's going to be doing the video work for you. And then the other thing that you see down here is you can see we've got a settings tab. Now in the settings tab, what we have is some settings at the top for images, but in this case it's a video. So this is where we can choose if we want a 16:9, so a widescreen, or if we want a mobile version, and then how many we want. I always just go straight to 4 different versions so we can see which one is going to be the best. Now leave this on OmniFlash, that's important so that it incorporates your AI avatar. Then go ahead and click Save, and what you're going to be able to do next is just go and click this button to get started, and it will start creating all of these videos for you automatically. Now, as you can see, it's rendering all these videos, but let's say I didn't even want to wait until these videos are done to create another variation. Well, all I have to do is click this reuse prompt button, and I can change anything I want about this prompt. So let's say I want to have me, instead of sailing on a yacht, it could be flying in a spaceship. And then I can say where I can be flying on a spaceship, and then let's say I hold up a cute alien. We'll see what it does. And we'll go ahead and we will click go. Now we can render 4 more versions with that other style video. And as you can see, it's going to start putting these up here while we have these other ones rendered down here. We can keep doing that again and again, reusing the prompt to create more and more versions. So let's take a look here and see some of these videos and how they turned out.
I can be sailing on a yacht while my AI avatar does all the work for me. Cheers to that.
So that's pretty great. And you can see it really does look like me. And it sounds like me. And this is just going to get even better over time. It's not perfect yet, but it's going to get better and better. I remember telling people this when Gemini and Google VO3 first came out, and they were incorporating video, and it just keeps getting better and better. So one of the things that you can do is you can take any of this, you can actually trim it, you can export these files, you can just click download at the top, you can trim them, you can put them together. There's a lot of great things you can do. We can also describe edits. So let's say down here we wanted to make a slight edit, and we wanted to say, have me wearing a green sweater instead. What we can do is we can do that, and OmniFlash will automatically create a new version where I'm now wearing a green sweater. While we wait for that version, let's go over here and take a look at one of the space versions.
I can be flying on a spaceship while my AI avatar does all the work for me. Cheers to that.
That's great. And you can see it'll come up with different variations.
I can be flying on a spaceship while my AI avatar does all the work for me. Cheers to that.
I love it. And now, as you can see, it's currently creating a version where it's going to have a green sweater. We'll cut to that being done. All right, and would you look at that? Now it puts me in a green sweater, actually pretty similar to the one I'm wearing right now. And let's see how the video turns out.
I can be sailing on a yacht while my AI avatar does all the work for me. Cheers to that.
And so what I can also do is I can trim this, I can trim the end, and I can extend the video. So I can trim those clips and add them to my project. Now, right now, it does limit me to creating 10-second long videos. However, you can easily stitch these videos together just by using its in-house editor right here inside of Google Flow. So now you know how to create your own AI avatar that you can use inside of your videos, both in Gemini quickly, as well as in Google Flow, and you can rapidly create more and more of these. Now, if you found this video valuable, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot more great content just like this. We'll put the links down below, and we're thinking about creating a more in-depth workshop on how to create AI videos. So if you're interested in that, comment below. And if we decide to do something like that, we'll put the link at the top of the description so you'll be the first to know. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm excited to see how you use your AI avatars. Make sure you like it, and we will see you in the next one.